GetResponse Marketing Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. GetResponse is a robust marketing automation tool designed for businesses and marketers looking to streamline their email campaigns, drive engagement, and scale their marketing efforts. It offers a wide array of features, including an intuitive drag-and-drop email builder, advanced segmentation, and automated workflows. With its AI-powered tools, you can personalize campaigns based on user behavior, preferences, and demographics, ensuring maximum relevance. Additionally, it integrates seamlessly with popular platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and Salesforce, making it highly versatile for e-commerce, agencies, and content creators alike. One of the standout features is its conversion funnel, which allows you to manage lead generation, sales, and webinars in a single dashboard. This all-in-one solution eliminates the need for multiple platforms, saving you time and money. Another highlight is its webinar hosting feature, which supports live webinars and on-demand sessions, perfect for nurturing leads or delivering educational content. The landing page builder is equally impressive, offering mobile responsive templates that are easy to customize for your campaigns. GetResponse is made for businesses of all sizes, from solo entrepreneurs to large enterprises. Beginners will appreciate the user-friendly interface and pre-built templates, while experienced marketers can dive deep into advanced analytics, A/B testing, and API integrations. The pricing structure is flexible, with plans catering to different budgets and business needs, including a free trial for those who want to explore its potential before committing. During my experience, the tool performed exceptionally well in creating and automating email campaigns. Setting up workflows was straightforward, and the analytics dashboard provided actionable insights into campaign performance. I particularly liked the ability to track customer journeys, which helped refine my targeting strategies. However, there is a slight learning curve when exploring its more advanced features, but the platform provides excellent tutorials and support. Overall, GetResponse combines functionality, ease of use, and scalability, making it a top choice for anyone serious about marketing automation. Whether you're building your email list, hosting webinars, or setting up complex workflows, this tool delivers. For its price point and feature set, it's a valuable investment that can significantly enhance your marketing ROI.